In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affinity Photo Develop Persona to process RAW. We'll start from opening a RAW file, walk through the essential adjustments, and finish by committing those changes so you have a clean, flexible foundation for further editing. Open your RAW photo in Affinity Photo using File, Open, or by dragging the file in. As soon as it loads, the Develop Persona opens automatically. This is Affinity Photo's dedicated RAW workspace. At the top, you'll see the histogram, which shows tones from shadows on the left to highlights on the right. And on the right, you'll find the main adjustment panels. You can zoom in for detail checks and use the before and after view to compare your progress at any time. Begin with exposure and white balance. Exposure sets the overall brightness, so nudge it until your midtones look natural without blowing out bright areas. Watch the histogram. If it bunches up on the far right, you're clipping highlights. For white balance, adjust temperature to make the image warmer or cooler, and use tint to correct green-magenta shifts. A useful approach is to target something that should look neutral, like a gray object, and dial the sliders until it loses any color cast. Getting white balance right early helps every other adjustment fall into place. Next, fix highlights and shadows to refine dynamic range. Pull the highlights slider down to recover detail in bright regions, such as skies or shiny surfaces. Then gently raise shadows to reveal information in darker areas without flattening the image. Subtle moves are key. Heavy shadow lifting can introduce noise, and aggressive highlight recovery can make things look dull. Keep an eye on contrast as you balance these two. Aim for detail without losing depth. When the overall balance feels good, add clarity and detail if needed. Clarity increases mid-tone contrast, which adds punch and texture. Apply it sparingly to avoid halos around edges. For detail, view the image at 100% so you see the true effect. Then add just enough sharpening to make fine textures look crisp. If you notice crunchy edges or speckled noise, back off slightly. The best sharpening looks invisible. Once you're satisfied, click Develop to finish. This applies your raw adjustments and takes you into the main photo persona, ready for retouching, local edits, and creative styling. And that's it. Using Affinity Photo's Develop Persona to process a RAW is all about thoughtful exposure, accurate color, balanced highlights and shadows, and a light touch with clarity and detail to set up a strong starting point for the rest of your edit.